In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I have completely transitioned away from using Opus Clip, and now I use View Creator to create and repurpose long form videos to short form viral content. So the first thing that I do is I actually connect my different social accounts. So you can see here that I've connected different YouTube accounts, Instagram accounts, and Facebook accounts. And I'm now going to go over to my profiles page and select View Creator Marketing. And this is the channel and the platform that we're going to be posting on today. So all I have to do is select that View Creator Marketing YouTube channel, the View Creator Marketing Instagram channel, and then the, that one's already selected. So looks like all we have to do now is click save. And all I have to do is go over to the AI clipping agent, and I've already done the liberty of creating 5 different clips. So here are the clips here, and I'm actually going to download all 5 of them, and we're going to be posting and scheduling them right now in this demo. So I'm going to go over to create, and I'm going to select View Creator Marketing, and I'm going to select short video. And I'm going to choose all 3 platforms and click continue, where I can now drag and drop these clips and click create with AI. And the create with AI creates the shared caption for Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And it also creates the YouTube title, description, and tags. So this makes it really easy for me to be able to go from end-to-end content creation to actual content scheduling and posting. As you guys know, as a content creator, it can get really, really tiring to create captions and log into the app from all 3 platforms and be able to do this. So boom, in like, what was that, 20 seconds, it's able to create an accurate shared caption and title and description and tags. And now all I have to do is I'm going to set the YouTube category, and I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click publish now. And after I click publish now, it's going to redirect me to the publishing page where I can actually see the publishing jobs that I have in the queue. And you can now see that Instagram and Facebook are now publishing. YouTube is still in the queue, but View Creator just makes it incredibly easy to not only create viral content, but also publish and schedule that content all from the same place.